In this short tutorial video I will continue to demonstrate features of the IMAC visual programming capability. Today we will discuss user blocks. User blocks are similar to subroutines or functions in conventional programming. User block is a sequence of IMAC visual blocks that performs a specific task, packaged as a unit. This unit can then be used in IMAC programs wherever that particular task should be performed. I will start with the program we have created in previous tutorial, and will show how user blocks make program much more compact, visible, and reusable. I am selecting the first 4 blocks using Ctrl left mouse click, and clicking on Create User Block button. User Block dialog box appears on the screen. I want to name this user block as config XY. I am entering config into the first field, and XY into the second field. I can pick the color for new user block. I want new block has blue color. I am pressing Create button. Created user block has appeared on the block palette under the user blocks category. Now I am removing highlighted blocks and replacing them with created user block. Let's unfold the user block. The user block contains the blocks from which it was created. We can add or remove blocks from the user block. Fold user block back. Save the changes to the existing user block. Or save the edited user block as new one. I am picking another color and clicking Save As. New block has appeared on the block palette. We can remove unnecessary user blocks from the block palette. I am removing green user block by clicking cross icon on it. I will create the second user block from these 2 homing blocks. I am entering home, XY, and pick yellow color. I am removing homing blocks and replacing them with the user block. Now I am creating the third user block. I will call it Cycle XY. Now we have a short version of program. I am clicking Run button. The program is pending until digital input 4 goes to low state. I am pressing the switch. The program is continuing and I am unfolding the Cycle XY to allow us to observe the execution of blocks inside user block.